wife.
My gran.
My sister.
My mum.
My father, my grandmother, and my niece.
Liver disease is the one chronic disorder that's increasing in frequency, with a steady rise in the number of deaths each year.
Within the UK, in Europe, in North America, the prevalence of liver disease and the economic cost is really rising.
Up to 33% of the world's population have been exposed to hepatitis B or hepatitis C virus infection. That's a lot of people.
There's very little treatment options once you reach certain disease stage, and transplantation is not a cure for the vast majority of individuals who require a new liver.
Without understanding the mechanisms and the pathogenesis of what goes wrong when people develop liver disease, how can you hope to find a therapy?
This institute is unique. It's the only institute within the UK that is focused on liver disease research.
The foundation was set up in 1973 by me along with Lord Goodman, and steadily over the years through fundraising we've built it into a major liver research charity in the UK and possibly in Europe.
It's working on a lot of conditions that cause liver problems initially, such as alcohol, viral hepatitis, the development of fatty liver disease, and liver cancer. We are all focused in producing research and data that will change patients' lives.
My project is interesting to understand why some people can drink a lot for many years without any toxic effects, while other people develop liver diseases.
My particular area of interest in liver disease is fatty liver. Fat accumulation is accompanied by profound molecular changes in the nuclei of the cells. So we try to understand this mechanism, because if we target this mechanism, we can block the progression of liver disease.
My main focus over the last 20 years has been in chronic viral hepatitis. We know that there are patients that once they have been exposed to the infection, they either clear the infection spontaneously or they become chronic carriers. And it's the chronic carriers that go on for liver disease. If we can work out what differentiates these two groups, then we can work out which part of the host response we can activate and try and boost so that the host then develops control over the infection.
We're looking at unique receptors that are expressed on the white blood cells that we think are key in suppressing the immune system in these patients. And what we're looking to hopefully do is to reverse this dysfunction by blocking these unique receptors expressed on the white blood cells.
We compare normal cells and cancer cells and identify which one are the proteins that are present only in cancer cells and not in normal cells. And then we aim to delete this gene, this protein, from the cancer cells to let them become normal cells.
My area is liver cancer, and I am developing a gene therapy strategy to cure it. It's one of the most common liver cancer worldwide. The aim is to inject these viral vectors into patients. These viruses will be able to transfer the gene that they have inside to the tumor and hopefully to kill them.
For us to continue our research programs, the most fundamental part is that we have money. We need funding to support our work.
I've only been here just over a year, but we've made some key discoveries that we think can be potential therapeutic options.
We will cure more and more disease, especially metabolic and cancer disease.
I can eventually treat people before it's too late.
I would like to be able to say to people who have the liver cancer, oh, we can do it, we can beat it, don't worry.